Hey guys, today I will show you how to get trap tools in Monster Hunter World. The easiest way to get trap tools is by buying them. Go to the provision stockpile vendor in the main hub. Trap tools are always available there and cost Zenny, so no special unlock is needed. Trap tools are used to craft traps. Combine a trap tool with a thunderbug to make a shock trap, or combine it with a net to make a pitfall trap. You can also bring trap tools into hunts and craft traps on the spot using the crafting menu, which is useful if you run out mid-hunt. Always carry at least one extra trap tool and materials. This lets you place multiple traps in one hunt, which makes capturing monsters faster and more reliable. And that's how to get trap tools in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.